box. Number 2 is Phrozen Sonic Mighty Resin 3D Printer. In today's competitive world of 3D printing, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D printer stands out as the perfect choice for anime enthusiasts. This exceptional printer offers unparalleled capabilities, ensuring your anime models come to life with stunning detail and precision. With an impressive 28mm resolution, the Sonic Mighty 8K allows you to print bigger, more complex anime characters without compromising on fine details. Each print is crafted with crispness and sharpness, capturing every nuance of your favorite anime designs. Designed with powerful specs and enhanced LCD lifetime, this printer features a 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5cm dual linear rails, elevating productivity and efficiency. The mono LCD within the Sonic Mighty 8K offers increased durability and an extended lifespan, ensuring you can enjoy its superior performance for years. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a compact footprint, allowing you to integrate it into your printing space seamlessly. Its solid dual linear rails and thick T-plate reduce wobbling and layer lines, ensuring consistent success rates for your prints. The frosted laser-cut building plate enhances adhesion, keeping your models in place during printing. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.